Okay. I'm waiting for a phone call, and I'm super bored. And I don't want to look at my phone because it won't ring. See? It's not ringing. Wow, I bet I just looked cross-eyed in that, but it's not ringing. Okay, it's not ringing. And, kinda bored waiting. So I thought I'd make a video, and this has to be really good, because all you can hear is like my 10,000 birds in the background, and that's okay. But I'll talk to you guys later, and I hope you had a good Friday night.